We will try to express the RHS in terms of tan alpha. So divide each term with cos alpha to get tan alpha minus 1 the whole divided by tan alpha plus 1. Keeping in mind the formula for tan of x minus y, we selectively replace some ones with tan pi by 4. So the expression reduces to tan theta equal to tan of alpha minus pi by 4, which means theta equal to alpha minus pi by 4. Rearrange to get alpha equal to pi by 4 plus theta. Now start from the LHS sin alpha plus cos alpha. Replace alpha with pi by 4 plus theta. This is of the form sin x plus y and cos x plus y. Use the trigonometry formula. Substitute the values for sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4. Two can be written as root 2 into root 2, so you can cancel off to get root 2 into cos theta.